feeling, nothing more than feeling, trying to forget my feelings so low. Teardrops rolling down on my face, trying to forget my feelings of love. Feelings for all my life I feel it. I wish I'd never met you, girl. You never come again. Feelings, whoa, feelings, whoa, feel it again in my feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I'd never have you in my heart again. Feelings for all my life I feel it. I wish I'd never met you, girl. There you have it, all the parts of the song you need to play that, okay? So let's try and break it down for you. Right, starts off with the intro, classic intro. I'm just playing a G chord, and I'm basically hitting the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and then I'm strumming down with a suspended 4th. First finger is playing the 1st fret of the 2nd string, okay? So boom. Then take the finger off, 1st finger off, play the open B string, 2nd string. Then I'm using this finger to play the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then the open 3rd string. So it's okay, so that's that 2nd fret, 3rd string, and open 3rd string, okay? So it's then we have an F sharp minor 11th, I think. 3 fingers. I'm using my 2nd finger to play the 2nd fret of the bottom E string. Then my 3rd finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string, and pinky is playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Okay, and what you do is you hit the bottom E string, then the 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string open. Got that? So now you've got this. Okay, and finally we play a B7th, arpeggiating down from the 5th string down to the 1st string. Okay, and then we have it, that's the intro. Okay, also played in the song as well, in between the verse, two parts of the verses. Okay, so let's just go through that again. Okay, got that? Then we go into the song itself, and it's basically a progression on an E minor chord. You only really need one finger for the first part of the verse. 2nd fret, 4th string, right? And you just arpeggiate down and up, however you wish to do it. Okay, so then go to the 1st fret on the 4th string. Open 4th string. What I'm doing there is basically 4, 3, 2, so all the way down, 2nd string, 3rd string, and then back to the 2nd string. No, sorry, not. No, I'm not going. Yeah, what I'm doing there mainly is all the way down, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Something like that. It doesn't have to be exactly that. Do whatever you want, but that's just an idea, okay? And then you go to an A7th. That's an A chord with an open 3rd string, G string open. Again, just arpeggiate it whichever way you want. I'm just going down from 5, back up a bit, down and up. Okay, so from the beginning, feeling nothing more than feelings. A7th, trying to for A minor 7th. It's an A minor with an open 3rd string. So take that 3rd finger off. Okay, again all arpeggiated, and then a D7th, and then you play the intro again. Okay, then you do the 2nd half of the verse. So, got that? So E minor progression. A7th, A minor 7th, D7th, intro. And then just repeat the E minor progression, teardrops, rolling down on your face, A7th, trying, A minor 7th, forget, D7th. Now what I like to play here is a G major 7th. You can just play a G. If you don't want to do that, just play a G. Okay, but I'm playing a G major 7th. And it's the diagonal chord, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, top E string. 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. 3rd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And pinky is playing the 5th fret of the 4th string, just those 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay? So that's coming out of that 2nd half of the verse. Teardrops, rolling down on my face, A7, trying A minor 7th again, D7th, feelings, G major 7th of love, and then an E7th, that's an E chord with an open 4th string, just the 2 fingers, 2nd on the 5th, 1st fret of the 3rd string, all 6 strings, and then we're going into the chorus. Okay, so let's do the whole intro, 1st verse, going into the chorus. Okay, so here we go. feelings, nothing more than feelings, trying to forget my feelings. Intro of the world. Teardrops repeats, run down on E minor, rolling down on my place, A7, trying A minor 7th, D7, G major 7th, E7th. Right, now we're going into the chorus. C, feelings, A minor 7th, for D7th, all my life I'll B minor 7th, feel it. That's a B minor bar chord, 2nd fret, with pinky off, okay? Feel it. E7th, I wish I'd never, A minor 7th, let you go. D7th, you never come up. G major 7th, and E7th again. Right, that's the first half of the chorus, right? So from the beginning of the chorus, C, from the G to G major 7th to E7th, C, feelings, A minor 7th, D7th, B minor 7th, E7th, I wish I, A minor 7th, D7th, G major 7th, or G, E7th, C, feeling, A minor 7th, D7th, B minor 7th, feeling, E7th, whoa, I never, A minor 7th, D7th. Now we play this second half of the intro. That's that F sharp minor 11th chord, and I'm just going like 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going down on the B7th. Okay, so that comes out of that second half of the chorus. Feelings, whoa, feelings, whoa. Feel it again in my own. Okay, then we go back into the verse, and it's only half a verse this time. Verse 2 is only half a verse. Feelings, feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I never have you. D7th. Again in my G major 7th, E7th, another chorus. Feelings, for all my life I feel it. I wish I never met you, girl. D7th, you never come. G major, that's alright, never come. Back to that F sharp minor 11th again. And then feeling, another verse, half a verse again. Feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I'd never have you. G major 7th again in my heart. E7th, another chorus. This is the outro chorus. Whoa, feelings, whoa, feel it. Again in G major 7th, E7th, C, feelings, whoa, feelings, whoa, feel it. Again in intro. song. They just fade out on the record, so I just thought I'd just put the intro again on the end of the song as an outro. So just the final chorus, coming out of the final chorus, go back into the intro. Strum on E minor, end of song. Okay, so there you have it. You have all the parts there to play. It's just basically verses and choruses. There's nothing else in it. Okay, no instrumentals, nothing. Thanks very much for watching. Hope that will help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.